Hey you guys, so I am back with a brand new video, and you guys, I am super excited to finally have this palette in my possession. And I'm talking about the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette, which actually launched today in stores. And when I say I was just like, oh my god, I have to have the eyeshadow palette. When I first saw it, the colors in here are so pretty. It's definitely like a everyday eyeshadow palette in terms of like your warm tone eyeshadows. You have your really pretty neutrals in there. You have your really pretty like smoky colors for that like going out look, and you can just create so many looks with this eyeshadow palette. Here is the box for the eyeshadow palette, and then on the back you do have the colors and the names of the palette on here. And then the actual palette looks like this. You guys, this palette is so pretty. And fun fact, these pictures are actually pictures of employees who work at Urban Decay who went like traveling, and they all just like put their pictures onto this like palette, which I thought was really cool. So here is the back of the palette. So love the packaging. It's definitely different and it fits the theme very nicely. And then you open up the palette, and here is the inside of the palette. Here are the colors, and you have a nice mirror right here on top. This palette does retail for $49, so keep that in mind. You can get it on their website. You can also get it on Sephora or Ulta, but of course I got mine at Sephora. And yeah, so again, here is the eyeshadow palette. So I'm just gonna do like a quick few swatches of a few shadows because I don't want to make you guys have to wait for the eye look. But again, it is 3 rows in the eyeshadow palette. So again, you do have like your warm tones that pretty much somewhat sit like on this side of the palette. You have your really pretty like smoky colors more so like on this end of the palette. And you really have some nice neutral colors right here on top, so kind of keep that in mind. I did create this look that I'm wearing with this eyeshadow palette, and I tried my best to not to use any like warm tone eyeshadows for this look, but I'm just gonna quickly swatch a few shadows for you. You do have a mixture of like shimmer shades and like matte shadows in here, and it feels so creamy when you swatch it. So the first one I swatched is called Stranded. It's a really pretty like golden color. It almost have like reflexes of like a yellowish greenish like sparkle in it that's reflecting on it. Next color is going to be Double Life. It's a really pretty like bronzy color. It's so pretty, and again, it is so creamy to the touch, and one swipe is all you need. So that one is called Double Life. Next one I'm going to swatch is called Big Sky. It's a really pretty like teal color, almost like a blue green. And here is that one. Ooh, that'd be pretty on the lid as well. So that one is called Big Sky. And let's go ahead and swatch a matte. This one is called Good as Gone. It's a really pretty brown color. And here it is right here on top. And I'm going to swatch one more for you. This one is called Punk. And here is Punk swatched on my hand right below Good as Gone. So again, really pretty swatches. They all feel really consistent across the board. They're not powdery. When I did use my eyeshadows for this look, I didn't get that much kickback. I did get some, but not like a lot compared to like other eyeshadow palettes. And then the color called Wanderlust, which I actually have on my lid right here. You guys, when I went in with that color on my lid, it was so pigmented on its own. I didn't even have to like wet my brush to get any kind of intensity, but I did because I always did it with my shimmer shades. But you definitely do not have to wet your brush at all with the shimmer shades. But I am truly impressed with this eyeshadow palette. I love how they have the names on the actual palette as well as on the box. I just think it's just really cool of them because you either have one or the other, but not like both. But I just think it's a really good palette, you guys. It is definitely worth your investment. If you're traveling, all you need is this one eyeshadow palette right here because you have everything you need for a neutral look, a warm tone eyeshadow look, a smoky look for like going out. You have everything in this one palette, and the price of it is a really good price. It's $49, which is pretty average for their prices. But these shadows are so pretty, so pigmented. They're not patchy. They blend out so nicely, and they complement each other very well also. So Urban Decay definitely did a really good job with this eyeshadow palette, and I hope you guys definitely check it out in store. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then let's just get into the tutorial. All right, you guys, so I am beyond super excited to be filming this video because I have been waiting for God knows how long for this eyeshadow palette to launch. And I think the really cool thing about working at Sephora is I do know about product launches before they're actually posted on social media, but I can't really like talk about it or share any information about it until it actually launches. So I kind of know about this palette launching already, so I'm super excited to have the palette in my hand. But yeah, so again, here is the eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyes so we can get started with this video. All right, so starting off, I'm just going to take the color called Rip, which is this really pretty nude color right here, and just throw that into my crease. All right, and then going back into the palette, I'm just gonna take this really pretty orange color called Baja, which is right here, and throw that into my crease as well. All right, and then for my lid color, I'm going to do something different. I'm not going to do a like a warm tone eyeshadow on my lid. I'm actually going to take this really pretty color called Wonderlust. It's like a really pretty green color, and just pop that onto my lid. You guys, do you see how pigmented this is? And my brush isn't even wet. But you guys know with all shimmer shades, I love to wet my brush to just kind of like amp it up even more. But you definitely don't have to, because this is super pigmented on its own, which I'm very excited about, like super excited. All right, I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and just blend these harsh lines that I have going on right here. All right, and then for my outer V, I'm just gonna take the color called Jet. It's this really pretty black color. I'm just gonna throw it into my outer V. All right, you guys, and then for my inner tear duct, I'm gonna take this really pretty color called Stranded right here, just pop it into my inner tear duct just to kind of give it some like life so it's not so dark. Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much the of course the completed look, and again I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and of course thumbs up if you like this video. And if you have the palette, let me know in the description box what you guys think about it, or let me know if it's like on your wish list of things to buy for makeup. Just let me know in the comment section below. I would love to chat with you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.